Tourism Pathshala, it will transform your dream into reality.
Good evening, my dear student. This is our travel solution series. Under this series, we want to today we're going to learn the difference between CRS and GDS system. This is very important topic for our UGC NET, GRF, and bachelor and master degree student of tourism and travel management. So, our important topic today explain the difference between CRS and GDS. So what are the focus area for learning? Today we are going to learn the different purpose of CRS and GDS system. What CRS developed for individual travel vendor. We are going to understand the purpose to develop the CRS system for individual travel vendor. As example, hotel or airline. Why GDS developed? The GDS or purpose of GDS developed for multiple travel vendor. As example, travel agent, hotel, airline, car rental company. Next, we will understand how GDS work, then how GDS connect to CRS system. And finally, we're going to understand and going to study the comparative feature of computer reservation system and GDS. So what are the important area? The first focus area of work of CRS and GDS. What are the main function of CRS and GDS? What are the we understand that if through example or application of CRS and GDS. What are the scope of CRS and GDS system? And then we learn everything this topic step by step. You try to follow and understand this area. Difference between GDS and CRS. In the travel industry, both CRS means computer reservation system and GDS global distribution system are used for managing and booking travel, but they serve the different purposes. The GDS has come into the existence after CRS. CRS ushered for GDS has come. But both CRS and GDS are dependent on each other for travel related booking. Now, CRS is basically a reservation system developed for individual vendor. একটা মনে রাখতে হবে, you have to keep in your mind this CRS is basically reservation system developed for individual vendor like hotel or airline to manage their own inventory and booking. But in the case of GDS, GDS is the border marketplace. GDS is a border marketplace connecting travel agent and other distribution. GDS একটা ব্রড অ্যাসপেক্টে ব্যবহার হয়, ব্রড মার্কেটপ্লেস যেটা কানেক্ট করছে যে ট্রাভেল এজেন্ট অ্যান্ড আদার ডিস্ট্রিবিউটর with inventory from various provider. Online travel agent or travel agents connect to GDS and it give access to CRS of multiple vendor. প্রত্যেকটা ভেন্ডারের আলাদা আলাদা CRS আছে, যেমন কার রেন্টাল, অ্যাকোমোডেশন, হোটেল, এয়ারলাইন সেক্টর। তো প্রত্যেকটা ডিফারেন্ট ভেন্ডারের যে সিআরএস সিস্টেম তার সঙ্গে কানেক্ট হচ্ছে জিডিএস। জিডিএস ইজ দ্য কানেক্ট দ্য মাল্টিপল ভেন্ডার অফ ট্রাভেল অ্যান্ড ট্যুরিজম সেক্টর। Now we are going to learn the how GDS work. A GDS system is connected to CRS of a vendor which provides real-time information through its database. CRS, the GDS system connect হচ্ছে CRS এর সঙ্গে, which provide CRS system provide করছে যে real time information provide করছে through its database, তার কাছে database রয়েছে। And inquiry made by travel agent through GDS is transferred to the CRS of related vendor. যখন ট্রাভেল এজেন্ট এনকোয়ারি করছে through GDS. GDS এর মধ্যে দিয়ে it's transferred to the CRS. CRS এ ট্রান্সফার হচ্ছে or CRS related vendor and information retrieve করছে, সেটা ইনফরমেশন খুঁজে provide করছে from its database and airline ticket can be booked. These are the system to work of GDS. Now we're going to understand the major differences between CDS and GDS. The major differences lies in the multiple offering by GDS in comparison to CRS. GDS offer access to CRS of various vendor of different business related to travel. Already আমি বললাম যে accommodation, hotel, airline, car rental, destination, different business related to travel sector, whereas a particular CRS is meant for one vendor. একটা particular CRS একটা vendor-এর জন্য, as a particular CRS for accommodation, particular CRS for airlines, particular CRS for car rental or destination management. Here, GDS act as a gateway to CRS of vendor. GDA a gateway এর মতো কাজ করছে to CRS of a vendor. It become easy for travel agent or customer to make a purchase, যেটা একটা travel agent or customer এর কাছে টিকিটটা purchase করতে সুবিধা হচ্ছে. A single GDS can be used to choose and book several products from vendors related to travel and tourism across the globe. Now we're going to understand the comparative features GDS and CRS. CRS is the full form computer reservation system or centralized reservation system. The main focus is the internal management of single travel providers inventory and booking. The GDS full form is global distribution system. Main focus work as a aggregating, this is a very important point, the aggregating and distributing travel inventory from multiple vendor. The single vendor here work as a multiple vendor to wider audience including travel agents, online travel agents, etc. The main function, what is the main function of CRS? Handle reservation, inventory pricing and customers data for specific travel supply. What are the main function of GDS? Connect. GDS connect করছে to travel agents and other distributor to vast network, to provide the vast network of travel supplier, allowing them to search, compare and book services. CRS, the example of CRS, a hotel uses a CRS management room. CRS, a hotel uses a CRS to manage room availability, rate, booking made through its own website or phone reservation. In the case of GDS, the travel agent used to search for and book flight, hotel, rental car from various airline, hotel and car rental company. In the case of CRS, the single vendor work. In the case of GDS, is the multiple vendor. What are the scope of CRS? CRS manage the single provider's inventory. Uses the CRS is the primarily used by travel provider. What are the scope of GDS? While GDS aggregate inventory from many provider user, while GDS is used by travel agent and other distributor. Functionality, what is the functionality? CRS focuses on internal operation and GDS focuses on distribution and booking. So in essence, CRS is like a hotel's internal reservation system, which GDS like a global travel marketplace where travel agent can access booked inventory from many different hotel, airlines and other suppliers. So this was very interesting topic, the difference between CRS and GDS. If you want to take the PDF note of this topic, you can contact through my website and my WhatsApp. Thank you.